And the third one is concentrated solar power. As I was talking about this, which is one of the solar power systems, which is Ivampa solar power in the US. As you can see, we have mirrors which are concentrated to a center point of the tower. And in this tower, we have working fluid. It could be oil or something else. So the main purpose of these mirrors are they concentrate to a central point here, so they can heat up this oil up to 400 degrees Celsius. Right, like this one, which is hot enough to heat water and make high pressure steam. This is the goal. Ultimately, we're going to have a high pressure steam. This steam can drive a turbine. It can drive a turbine and generate electricity. And the other thing is like these mirrors are also adjusted in the way they can track the sun. Like we can call it a solar tracking system. They can track the sun, so the efficiency can be good enough to generate the amount of electricity that we need. So what I mean is like solar concentrators only work in direction of the sunshine, right? So we need a solution for this. So what they did is the mirror is held on a support that can follow the sun as it moves through the day, right? So most of the time we use it from a sunny climate with a more clear sky things, because like it's kind of huge investment, so we need to make sure there is enough amount of solar like throughout the day, clear sky days, or like on sunny climate. As I said, like one example is the Ivampa in solar power in the US, California. And now we have the photovoltaic solar. So photovoltaic cells which convert light, they just convert light directly into electricity. Before becoming commonplace, like they were using these things in space, but this time we are using on watches, on calculators, and also they can provide power to locations without a connection to the electricity grid. The other thing is like they are widely available on the market because their cost is fallen and their efficiency of this PV cells or the PV materials also increasing, so they are widely available on the market. The final point regarding this is solar energy is a clean, pollution-free and renewable source of energy. And the other interesting thing is solar power captures the sun energy with no harm to the environment. Right? So we can say solar power is easier on health impacts, land use, water and carbon emissions compared to this natural gas and fossil fuel and coal energy plants. But let's see some drawback for solar energy. This one, like purchasing a solar system is fairly high, especially purchasing a solar system is high. At the same time, the installation cost also is quite high. The other thing is like the sun doesn't always shine, so they're dependent on sunlight to effectively gather solar energy. So we need one thing, right? Which is expensive energy storage systems. It could be batteries or thermal energy storage systems. Therefore, a few cloudy rain days can have a noticeable effect on energy system. If there is cloudy, if the condition is cloudy, their efficiency of these solar panels is going to decrease. So we need to make sure if we want to increase the efficiency of the systems, the one thing that we have to work on is I think on the storage system. It could be in battery like lithium-ion batteries or solid-state batteries, or it could be in thermal energy storage systems, which are now on research. Like we don't have phase-changing materials, and we can use these phase-changing materials like molten salt, paraffin, organic plastic crystals, and also we can mix, or we can make a composite material with what we call rock, sand, brick, and we can come up with efficient thermal energy storage system. So we need to make sure whether the sun is there or not, we need to make sure we have enough amount of power that we need to generate our, it could be building or our factory or something else. So the final thing is the pros and cons of indirectly I was talking about that, but like to make it clear, solar panels, so they are eco-friendly as I said before, and they just create energy independence. And the other thing is like solar tech, like as time goes by, they are getting cheaper. Like as I said before, you can take PV cells. They are widely available on the market. The first one is their cost is fallen, and the second one is their efficiency is also increasing. So this makes it a good candidate for the alternative energy sources. It's obvious it can save you money, right? And also net metering for additional income, and also it saves you money. If we see the cons, the first one is high installation cost, and also device like larger spatial requirements. The other kind of barrier is battery storage for reliability. We don't have efficient amount of battery that we use to store solar energy, so we can use it anytime that we want. And also installation requires professional help. So it's no one's going to bring a solar panel and install it wherever they want. Like they just need professional help in order to install this solar system. So this is all about today's lesson. And next we will see geothermal energy, which is quite interesting also. I think we are trying to finish by this session. So I hope you will enjoy the lesson, and let's meet next time. Stay safe.